Hello, this is Evelyn Webb, and I am giving you this presentation on how to maintain your blogger capture page. Okay, each and every one of you received a capture page from myself, which is something that I love to do. I love to do blogging, capture pages, website development, Facebook pages, so forth and so on. What I'm going to do today is attempt to go ahead and show you the back office of the blogger so that you can understand what the numbers mean and what the stats are. Okay, every so often, about maybe every 4 days, I suggest that you go in and you take a quick look at what's going on with your marketing campaigns. Okay, and let's move forward. First, you want to go ahead and log in the Google site that, in fact, I had given you. Once you get in there and signed in, okay, you want to make sure you look over here where you see this little square, and there's 9 squares inside of it. You want to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you'll go ahead and see a page that comes up like this. You want to press the More button, and then that's how you ultimately get to your blogger. Go ahead and click on the blogger. Once you click on the blogger, okay, you're going to go inside of your back office of your blogger site. Once you're inside of the back office of your blogger site, as you can see, I have several different capture pages that I have done with several different businesses that I belong to. But this is the one that you're basically going to focus on, because each and every one of you probably only have the one. And if you have another one by now, great. That means that you've learned how to do the blogging thing. So congratulations. You want to double click on this particular button, and once you do, you're going to see a bunch of a graph. This particular graph is an overview, and it basically gives you the page views for today. Okay, and that's what that does. Once you go to the next page, you're going to go into stats, and your stat overview basically is going to give you a breakdown of each and every day, starting with here, which is the page views for today and the page views from yesterday, the total overall month in this particular case, because I don't have a last month. I just started this month in March, on March 13th to be exact, and the history, total overall history. Okay, and as you can see right here, I started a day after I signed up with VStream, so I was very anxious and I wanted to get a capture page out, and that's what I did. Okay, this over here is your traffic source. It basically tells you whatever links that are pressed, these are the page views that are disseminated from it. Okay, for instance, some of you've gotten, or you have, the Snipely. That's a add-on that I put in, which is a call to action for each and every one of your capture pages. Okay, so that being said, they individually break down the page views. For instance, this particular page view was done from Facebook. This one was done from traffic return. Okay, and this one over here is probably more than likely is from a backlink. If you'll notice, there's a lot of backlinks that I put in, and that's basically so that the blogger, you can have this different search engines, because Blogger belongs to Google, and you'll be picked up on the Google search engine and all the other different search engines that pick up your backlinks. Okay, and that helps draw the traffic in, and that's the reasoning behind why I put the backlinks into each and every one of your individual capture pages. Okay, all right, in this particular section right here, once you get to stats, you'll see there's only one post that you've made, that's been made rather, in the capture page, so it's going to be the one that shows you what the page views are, more than likely the most page views that you get from a particular link. Okay, all right, Then once moving onward, you can go into the stats and you can look at different variations. For instance, this is a different view from another person's to show you that it's there's a different in each and every one of your capture pages. One won't be the same as the next. So you're not going to get the same results as another person. Okay, depending on how you go ahead and pitch your marketing tool, which is your capture page. Okay. Okay, right here you can see the same things. The page views for today and so forth. What you want to be mindful of is going in every 4th day, you want to make sure that this do not track your own page views. There's a button that I pushed when each and every one of you received your capture pages, and that needs to stay on do not review. Okay, and you're going to see how that box pops up when you press this link. Okay, there's the box. It's right here, and this is what you want to have always pressed. Don't track my page views, and then press save if you happen to see it on the top one. Okay, you want to always have the second one. You want to have that one pressed and select save. And the reasoning behind that is because each and every one of you got a hit counter on your page, your capture pages, and you started off with a number. I try not to do any more than about, I'd say, 10 to 15 trial diagnostics. So you want to make sure that your numbers aren't mixed in there with you viewing your own page. So that's the reasoning behind putting the button on the don't track your page views. Also with this, you'll be able to see what your traffic sources are. You'll also be able to see your referring sites. Some people use different types of platforms, whether it be Safe List or URL rotators, or whether it be classified ads. These are the referring sites. For instance, this one is Facebook. This one is from Traffic Return. This one's from Snipely. And they all give you the page views. This information up here is the individual URLs, okay, and their page views. Also, you'll be able to get your audience, your demographics. You want to know that because you want to know where, or who, rather, I should say, is looking at whose eyes are on your capture page. You have 121 here from the United States, 7 from New Zealand, 5 from Canada. You also can pick up stats like who's watching or who's using my link on an Android phone, who's using it on an iPhone, and you'll be able to pick up those links there. Who's using it on Chrome, or whether they be on the operating system for Firefox. There's all kinds of multiple operating systems, Safari, one's called Opera that I know of. So yeah, you'll be able to track what your marketing campaign is doing, and that's why you want to take a look at your blogger's back office every 4th day. Also with the package, as far as the capture page, you got a template for a mobile. And this is where your mobile marketing comes into play. This is a template basically showing you the actual view of what a person will see when they press on the link from an iPhone or either an Android or some type of phone device. Also, this is the actual capture page itself. That's just a template to show you the view of it. Okay, that basically was a short presentation, and I'm giving everyone who in fact is a patron and who has obtained a capture page from myself. Evie's Out of Sight Stuff is my company's name. Okay, and this is free of charge, but I basically want you to be able to get a feel of your back office so that you can maintain your capture page. Okay, and if you'd like to get a capture page done by myself, you can reach me at eviesoutosightstuff@gmail.com or Skype me on evelyn.webb_1, or you can reach me on Facebook on my profile. Okay, and with an extra added bonus, you will also be receiving a list of links for safe links. Now, what you do with those list of free marketing tools is up to you. You can still use free, okay? Use them free, but if you'd like to go ahead and purchase some type of marketing campaign, go for it, okay? But I advise that you keep free, so that way you can cut your costs down and let your capture page do what it's supposed to do, which is be a funnel to draw in your traffic. Okay, enjoy your site. Thank you very much for your patronage again. Peace.